In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or deactivate your TikTok account. So it's very much simple and easy. It's just like doing the same on Facebook. So for TikTok, you can deactivate your account for like 30 days and then you recover it. And even if you delete it, you have a grace period of 30 days as well to recover it as well. So I'm going to show you how to do all this in this tutorial. So you just have to stick with me till the end of the video and you're going to get everything you need. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So let's tap here and then let's move to our settings and privacy. So let me drag that to the other side. So here with our settings and privacy here, let's move to our account here. And now let's move to deactivate or delete our account. Good. So it's going to take some time to load, but I need to be here. Good, so it's here. So you can see on the screen, deactivate your account and then delete your account. So when you delete your account, you have 30 days of grace periods to reactivate your account. If you don't reactivate it within these 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently, and then you can deactivate it as well. So anything you want to do here, you just need to choose it, any option you want to go for. So let's say if you choose for this. Good, so you give a reason here. You tap on continue, you give a reason like this, and then you tap on continue. They will ask you to enter your password and you're good to go. That's it. And even if you want to deactivate it too, same thing, you tap on it, you give a reason, and then you enter your password and you're good to go. You delete or you deactivate your account. So that's it on how you can deactivate or delete your account on TikTok. If you are new here, do all to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.